How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. So in today's video we have a lovely microphone for your iPhone and for your iPad as well. And let's see if this actually is gonna be a good choice if you're filming outside, indoor. So as you can see here, this microphone can record up to 20 meters of distance, which is gonna be good. But overall, they're very popular. There's a lot of companies doing this type of microphones. It's plug and play, and but the more important that I think for me is the sound quality and the durability, because we know that these microphones, they don't stay long, and this is the only concern that I have. So let's unbox this lovely microphone which I purchased from AliExpress. As you can see, everything comes in a presentable box. I wish this microphone came in a small, like a carrying pouch or something. But yeah, overall this is the packaging. So I'm gonna put everything on the side. Let me remove everything from the box. So this is the receiver. As you can see, this is the actual receiver for your iPhone. Pretty lightweight. And this is the lavalier microphone, as you can see. Let me peel that as well. Let's do some peeling action. Okay, this was not the best peeling action, but so overall this is the lightning. Oh, we have another one here. So this is the actual microphone, actually, as you can see, pretty small. This is the receiver. This is the microphone. So let me see what else we have here on the box. I can remove this. We have the user manual, and we have some cables here. I believe you can charge this receiver, but the more important is, let's see what cable comes with. We have a type C, which this is a very good plus. So let me see where you can plug this. You can plug this here, and there should be some buttons. Yeah, the button is here, and it's plug and play. Basically, you just plug this to your iPhone or iPad, you press the button, and should be ready to connect. Okay, so the next clip is gonna be connecting this to a iPhone, and let's see how is the sound quality. Alright, so now you're listening to the actual microphone. This is the sound from the small lavalier microphone that we have here, and it's pretty strange in my opinion. This thing is very small, but this is good. Let's talk about a few key points about this microphone, what I discover. The clip and tie thing is very small. I wish this was a little bit bigger. Also, I'm gonna give you some charging information, which this is hilarious. But let's talk about the couple of things. So this is the actual sound. I wish the clip and tie thing is a little bit bigger. Overall, as you can see, this is paired. There's a green light, so this means that this is connected to my iPhone, or you can use this with your iPad as well. So one tip that I found out, that first you need to plug the receiver to your iPhone and then switch on the actual microphone, because it will not pair if you decide to switch first the microphone, will not pair. So when the green light is stable, means that this is connected. Another thing is that the charging, which is very strange in my opinion. I checked the manual a couple of times. Doesn't say for how long this microphone can be used when it's fully charged. Also doesn't say what is the capacity of the battery of the actual microphone. The receiver apparently takes power from your device, doesn't need to be charged. But this is strange, but doesn't say for the actual microphone for how long you can use this microphone and for how long you can charge. Obviously, you have to check when you charge the microphone. There's a red light, means that this is charging right now. When the light is off, means that this is charged. But I don't know for how long I can use this microphone. It could be half an hour, it could be 1 hour. This is going to be a mystery. So I will test that, but this is going to be a separate video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video to see that. Otherwise, you're going to miss this video. But overall, I'm impressed. Plug and play. You don't need a Bluetooth to be connected. You don't need a app. Just plug and play. Switch on the microphone. Plug it to your desired device. Ready to go. This makes your life much easier, in my opinion. And let's talk about the sound now. The sound quality, in my opinion, is okay. It's not great. The only problem that I have with the sound quality is I can hear the voice very clear, but it's quite a lot of low end. There's no balance. I wish there was a little bit maybe not trouble, but mid. The low end is quite a lot, and the sound it's not balanced. But I think for most people will be okay because you can use this microphone with your device, outdoor, indoor. And if this is your actual main microphone, I think it's gonna be okay. Make sure you speak a little bit far, otherwise you're gonna have problems with the plosives, which this now I'll test. So pa 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 pi tsa pa. So as you can hear, the plosive situation is not very good. So make sure you talk a little bit far from the microphone. And the other thing I'm going to do right now is just to attach the microphone to, let's say, if you have a shirt. Okay, this is not the best way to attach it, but let's say you have a shirt. 99% this microphone will be attached to your shirt. If you want to do, let's say, for any type of videos, your hands to be free. And this is the sound quality. Again, I wish the sound is a little bit better, but for the price I think it's pretty decent. I bought this less than £7 from AliExpress. This is not a sponsored video by any mean. So if you want to have a better sound quality, make sure you speak a little bit closer. So not very close, but you know what I mean, just to have like a better sound, because you don't want to miss with the plosives. I think this is much better way to speak. If this is your main microphone, speak like this, not very far. But overall, I'm impressed. This microphone sounds okay. It's gonna be much better from the sound that you're gonna make if you record with your iPad or your iPhone. So it's going to be much better sound. So overall, very good, thumbs up. Do I recommend this microphone? Probably yes. I'm gonna test it now. This is first impressions. I will do another video to see for how long you can record. Also, they said that 22 meters is the distance that you can record. I will test that as well. But overall, pretty decent microphone for the money. Don't get me wrong. I think it's a very good price. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications if you want to miss future videos. And I'll see you in the next video.